So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a crypto basket here on crypto.com. So once crypto.com is opened up, I want you to go to the home page right here. And when you're on the home page, you can go ahead and actually scroll over to where it says accounts. Now on the accounts page right here, it'll go ahead and load. Just give me a second here. You can actually scroll down to where it says Crypto Basket, right above NFT, right below Airdrop Arena, and press on Crypto Basket. So once you're here, I don't have a portfolio selected. I want you to go ahead and press on at the bottom, Create My Own Basket. Now once you're here, you can add a bunch of different coins to your basket. So just for this example, I'll just use Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin as my example. If I wanted to make this a basket, I'll go ahead and press on update. Now if you were to go ahead here, so your allocation, you can do the whatever percentages you're looking for. Go ahead and press on next. And then you can go ahead and actually proceed. If you want to buy this basket by typing the amount, go to the bottom and press on proceed that way. So once again, very simple, very straightforward. You have to go to the main page of your accounts, go to Crypto Basket, and then follow through that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy a crypto basket on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.